So my property manager has my PIN, and this guy actually sneaks in and he leaves pasta on the stove. I had ice cream here and he put a Dorito lid in there. I'm not kidding you. Like, shit you not. Shit you not, that's pretty gross to say. But like, he sneaks into my apartment and he like eats my food and drinks my coffee and like does stuff to my kitchen. So if you live at like 11217 like, I'm telling you, pretty dangerous, because they will sneak in. They will sneak in and they will literally try to like eat stuff in your kitchen or steal shit. Like, they stole my paper towels. I'm not joking, I had a pack of 3 and he stole my paper towels. And why would you even try to leave a fire on the stove? Like, you own this entire property.